All right, so today decided to start a new little project here. It's cold outside. Went out, took the seats out of the Challenger. As you can see, they are just a little shot. This one probably worse. But new seat covers are kind of expensive. So I'm going to take and I'm going to try cleaning these up. And then I'm going to try seeing if I can repair it the cheap way. Not the right way, but just something enough that they're usable. Unlike what they are now. I mean, you don't want to sit down on this crap. It's just going to make it worse. So we're going to try seeing if we can repair this. Like I said, it's cold out today. It's about Thanksgiving. And need something to do inside the house. So went outside, I took these out. Pretty straightforward. There's 4 bolts on each seat. I only snapped one of the studs off, so that's a plus. Which should be easy. We can just drill it out and just stuff a bolt down in there and weld it back in. But here's the one we broke. But considering they'd probably never ever been taken out, that wasn't too bad, I guess. So that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna let them warm up. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit, get the crap off of them, so that maybe some of this nice like fabric style duct tape that I got maybe it'll work. I got some white stuff too. So that's it for now. Be an update later. Okay, so a little update here. Got them all cleaned up. Oh, this one at least. This one's all nice and clean, and I got this part patched up over here that was all blown out over there. There's a small spot there I fixed. I'm working on the bottom section now. And from sitting so long, this thing is just crispy. But I have found out that if you take an iron and heat it up a little bit, it makes it a little more pliable, a little easier to fix. So that's what I've done here is I've heated this all up so that this is a little easier to work with. This stuff up here is still the crunchy crap, but I haven't got to that part yet. So it's kind of where we're at there. So far it's not turning out too bad. I mean, it's obvious it's going to be fixed, but you know what? At least it's usable. And I don't have to spend like $500 to buy the actual seat covers for it, plus foam. So for right now, this will work. It's a dumpster fire car. Why not? All right. We'll be back with another update. All right. Got the seats done. Yeah, they're not great. But you know what? They're more usable than they used to be. And I think I spent maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours cleaning them up and patching them up. I think they look better. They're usable now. Like I said, I don't have the money to buy new seat covers for it right now, so this is what it's going to get. I think it'll work. Alright, that's done. Till next time.
I love them.
So, what are we doing today, Jason?
What? Oh, you're filming now? Jeez.
So,
Well, I'm so good. Look at this. I'm so good. Put my shirt on, up inside out.
You're on top of things today. So, a little update on the Challenger. We took it to La Crescent, to Jason's place here, and I've got the floor carpeting all tore out. I took the seats out. Took the front valance off. Got the hood off now. We were testing to see if the transmission is working in it, because we haven't moved it actually under its own power yet. So, just kind of playing around with it at the moment. So in a little bit, we'll have a video here of starting it up. Okay, quick update video. Yeah, we forgot to do a video when it was running, but it did run. Pulled the motor out. That was going away. We cleaned everything up underneath there. Got the interior partially tore out, got the front grill off of it. That's where we are right now. So, motor sent off to be cleaned right now, and same with the heads. As soon as we get that back, we can start putting things back together. Oh yeah, we did put new wheels on the back. They got a little bit of a clearance issue we need to fix, but minor detail. So, just a quick update. There you go. Till next time. Okay, real quick update on the Challenger. Still working on the disc brakes. Motor and tranny are still out. We got the torsion bar cross member is out though, and we're getting ready to weld the new one in. We patched up a hole in the floor. A small hole over there that we need to address, but big thing is motor's all together. So hopefully next video we'll have those two together and in there. So till next update. Okay, another update on the dumpster fire Challenger here. We've got disc brakes done up front, finally. Still no motor, still sitting over there. There's Tranny. That will be going in before too long. We finally got the cross member underneath for the torsion bars. That's all welded in. Got to put some chassis saver on that yet. Do some chassis saver stuff on the inside floor pans. Right now we're working on the headliner. It's getting closer. Been kind of fighting. And yes, I just pink foam insulator, pink house insulation for sound deadener in the roof. It was cheaper. Got new leaf springs to put in the back. Gotta get those in yet. Basically, gotta pull out the rear end. Got new brake lines and stuff that gotta go in that anyway. So, but we are getting a little closer. Torsion bars are back in since we got the cross member in. Yeah, it's kind of where we're at right now. Slowly but surely, progress. So, until we make more progress, that's it. Alright, dumpster fire viewers, back with the Challenger here again. As you can see, progress kind of went backwards to go forwards, I guess. So we had some rust issues up here that we had to take care of. So we had to take fenders off. While we're taking fenders off, putting chassis saver on everything. A little bit of rust over here to fix yet. But this is where there was a lot, so that got fixed. And then we did chassis saver on the interior, the floor pan. Still got to do the front half here yet, and the front half over there, but main thing is the headliner is in. It is a little dirty right now, but it is in. It's not perfect, but neither is the rest of the car, so it's good enough. Still got the seat belts and the seat belt holders to put in up there, but dome lights in, little clothes hooks in, all the trims in are on the back window. So that's where we're at on that. Fenders are laying over there. Still got a nice pile of parts over here to put in there yet, so slow progress. but progress. Now the brakes are done up front. Still need to take the rear axle out, put new lines on that, brake line from the front to the back. Got new leaf springs for back there. And I think that's about it. Do another video once we get some more brake work done and interior stuff put back together maybe, but right now still no motor, still sitting over there, Jenny's still sitting there. So till next time.